Welcome to English Gravity.
Don't forget like, share and subscribe for more videos. Hello everyone, this is Alicia. Today I will share you how I improve my English. When I first started learning English, it was very difficult for me. I couldn't understand the words, and speaking felt scary. Every time I tried, I made mistakes. People would laugh, and I felt embarrassed. But I didn't give up.
One day, I decided, enough is enough. I wanted to improve, no matter how hard it was. So, I made a plan. First, I started with small things. I listened to English songs. At first, I didn't understand anything, but I liked the music. Slowly, I began to pick up words. Love, happy, forever, simple words. I would pause the song, repeat the words, and write them down. Next, I began watching English movies. It was tough. They spoke so fast. I couldn't catch the sentences. But I found a solution. I turned on subtitles. When someone said, "How are you?" I read the same words on the screen. It helped me understand. I also bought a small notebook. Every time I heard a new word, I wrote it down. Then, I looked it up in the dictionary. Words like beautiful, excited, and confused became part of my vocabulary. But learning alone wasn't enough. I needed practice. I joined a group where people spoke in English. At first, I was very nervous. My sentences were broken. I said things like, "I go market yesterday," instead of "I went to the market yesterday." People corrected me. Instead of feeling bad, I thanked them. One day, something amazing happened. A person in the group said, "You speak very well now." I couldn't believe it. I smiled and said, "Thank you." It felt so good. I also started reading English books. I chose simple stories at first, children's books. They had easy words and short sentences. One of my favorite books was about a boy and his dog. It made me laugh and cry. To improve my pronunciation, I practiced every day. I stood in front of the mirror and said words like apple, banana, and elephant. I listened to how native speakers said them and tried to copy. Sometimes, I made funny mistakes. Once, I said beard instead of bird, and everyone laughed. I laughed too because I knew I was learning. Now, I feel more confident. I can talk to people in English without fear. I can write stories like this one. Learning English was not easy, but it was worth it. I realized that making mistakes is part of learning. Pausing, listening, and practicing are the keys. So, if you're trying to improve your English, don't give up. Start small. Listen to songs, watch movies, read books, and most importantly, speak. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Keep going, and one day, you'll see how far you've come.